Hey guys, welcome back. We just passed 10,000 subscribers. I've got a really exciting project to celebrate that accomplishment. Now this really is a huge accomplishment. I can't stress that enough, and I really want to thank you guys because I honestly could not have done this without you. Literally could not have reached this point without all of you guys supporting the channel, following the channel, watching the videos, and subscribing. It really has meant so much to me. So I want to thank you guys before I jump in. Now, if you've been around YouTube a lot, you probably have seen YouTube play buttons that they award to different channels for passing a certain number of subscribers. Now, unfortunately, that first level is 100,000 subscribers. Now, this is crazy in my mind. That is a really far goal. In some ways, I think it could be beneficial for YouTube to pass out a smaller award for other accomplishments as well. But they don't have any awards. I decided to make my own and celebrate with you all that have subscribed. So stick around and I'll show you guys how I make this. I'm gonna try to make it as close to the silver award that they pass out, just out of wood instead, because I don't want to take away from the specialness of that award when I do pass 100,000 subscribers. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stick around to the end. I'll show you guys what I come up with. Now, only 1.1% of viewers are actually subscribed to my channel. So if you have subscribed to the channel, you are the 1.1%. I want to thank you so much for helping the channel grow. It really has encouraged me to keep creating these videos, building new things, and trying to help others learn as well. So thank you so much for being that 1.1%. Alright guys, that just about finishes up the video for today. Hope you enjoy this one. If you want to see the channel continue to grow, I'm planning on making another one of these at 50,000 subscribers. If you want to see me make one of these out of copper instead, hit that subscribe button and share this video with as many people as you can. That'll kind of spread the word and help it grow a little faster. And maybe I'll be surprised and reach that a lot quicker than I'm thinking, but it'll probably be a little bit of time before then. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and leave any suggestions for maybe future awards that I can make down in the comment section down below if you enjoy this one. Thanks so much guys for watching, supporting, subscribing. You guys are amazing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.